Safety isn't expensive, it is priceless. What exactly is HIV? Here's all you need to know because we believe knowledge is the greatest weapon in fighting diseases. If you have HIV, don't worry, we have sorts of therapies to help you. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus. It weakens a person's immune system by destroying important cells that fight off diseases and infection. There are currently no effective cure for HIV, but with proper medical care, HIV can be controlled. So what happens when the virus enters the body? How do we get it? And what are the symptoms? HIV can enter our system through contaminated fluids such as blood, sperm, vaginal secretion, and breast milk. This signifies that the virus can infiltrate your system through the following. The first one is unprotected sexual activity. The second one is sharing of needles or any sort of injecting equipment. And mother-to-child transmission during pregnancy or childbirth. And lastly, we have through mother's breast milk after birth. So absolutely, anyone can obtain it. Remember, it is not about who you are, but about what you do. Because HIV can remain dormant for how many years without symptoms. But guess what? There are ways to avoid HIV transmission. It all starts with protecting oneself, understanding the simple procedures, and remembering the ABCs. A is for abstinence. Just simply say no to any sexual activity. B stands for be faithful to one partner, sweet and safe. C stands for correct and consistent condom use. Make sure you are using it properly and read instructions thoroughly. D is for don't use drugs and alcohol because they impair your judgment and raise your risk for addiction. E stands for education. Learn how to protect and care for yourself through education. When should you get tested? If you believe you have put yourself at risk, take charge and make the right decision by being tested. With early detection, you can go to your nearest HIV testing center to be tested and informed, making the best decision for yourself. To love yourself, remember that you and I are more powerful than HIV.